Hey there. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of tasks, projects, and deadlines? So you're not alone. Many of us struggle to stay organized and productive in today's fast-paced world. And that's where project management tools like Asana come in. But what if Asana isn't quite cutting it for you? Maybe you're looking for a more intuitive interface, better collaboration features, or simply a fresh perspective. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into some of the best alternatives to Asana that might just be the perfect fit for your needs. Section 1. Key considerations when choosing an alternative. Before we get into specific tools, let's talk about what you should consider when looking for an Asana alternative. Here are some key factors to keep in mind. Features. What features are most important to you? Are you looking for a simple task manager? Or do you need more advanced features like Gantt charts, time tracking, or resource management? Ease of use. How intuitive is the interface? Can you easily navigate the tool and find what you need? Integration. Does the tool integrate with other tools you use, such as your email, calendar, or CRM? Pricing. What is the cost of the tool? Are there free plans or tiered pricing options? Collaboration. How does the tool support collaboration among team members? Does it offer features like real-time editing, commenting, and shared workspaces? Section 2. Top Asana alternatives. Now, let's explore some of the top Asana alternatives on the market. Trello. Known for its visual interface and Kanban board methodology, Trello is a great option for teams that prefer a simple, drag-and-drop approach to project management. It offers features like checklists, due dates, and labels, making it easy to organize and track tasks. Monday.com. Monday.com is a highly customizable platform that offers a wide range of features, including Gantt charts, time tracking, and resource management. It's great for teams that need a more robust solution with a lot of flexibility. ClickUp. ClickUp is another versatile tool that offers a variety of features, including task management, project management, and document collaboration. It has a steep learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it can be a powerful tool for managing your work. Basecamp. Basecamp is a classic project management tool that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's a good choice for teams that prefer a more minimalist approach to project management. Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a grid-based platform that's great for managing large projects with complex workflows. It offers features like Gantt charts, resource management, and custom reports. Section 3. Choosing the right tool for you. With so many options available, it can be tough to decide which tool is the best fit for you. The best way to choose is to try out a few different options and see which one works best for your team's workflow. Consider the factors we discussed earlier, such as features, ease of use, integration, pricing, and collaboration. And there you have it. We've explored some of the best alternatives to Asana and discussed the key factors to consider when choosing a project management tool. Remember, the best tool is the one that works best for you and your team. So take the time to experiment and find the perfect fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.